All right, so I want to make this thing look like it's already going fast. And quite honestly, this initial design looks a little boxy if you ask me. But maybe we can add some kind of air intake looking thing, or make it look like the wheel well is here. Because we need to connect it to this piece anyhow. So I'm thinking if we add a piece of plywood with a bit of a round over, or maybe an angle of some kind, doop, doop, maybe that'll look kind of cool. Anyhow, let's just sketch it out. Nothing like plastic on a seat on a hot day. Wow, that's nice. No, I'm just covering these up so they don't get dust on them. I brought all my gear back in, the steering wheel, the chair, and now I put the pedals in here because this is important. And so far, it's actually feeling pretty good, but I think I'm still gonna get a little bit more of an angle on the wood, or at least a little bit more height, to get the pedals up just a little bit further and make you feel like you're really sitting down low in a GT car. I also got the TV screen in here now, also wrapped in a garbage bag so I don't get dust on it and my wife kills me. Because I want the screen basically on the wood, like make it look like the wheel becomes part of your experience and is actually covering maybe a little bit of the screen. Now that we are really close to where I like the seating position, we're gonna raise the floor up a little bit, get the pedals somewhere decent, and then we're literally off to the races. See what I did there? In the future, we might end up adding a telescopic wheel. I'm average, I'm 5'10", which I like to call average. If we're like in the mid-range for my height with the seat, I think we're gonna be in good shape because you'll be able to come all the way back here basically. And I don't know, but I'm not shipping this to Yao Ming, so I don't think he's ever gonna have any issues with this. We go low rider, Big Papa, you know what I mean? The person who hasn't quite figured out that an airbag could possibly kill them when they're this close to the steering wheel. So I think we're gonna be just fine.
rocking, baby.